So you've seen us say that you can start a workwear business with £0, but how does it actually work? Essentially what happens is go over to DISGU.com. What you can do is you can sign up on here for, say for instance, Workwear Template 1, and we will build you a completely free website. Off the back of this, you can then choose garments that you want to sell to your local area. People are then able to upload logos to your website. They can build their own workwear, put it through your system, your branding, whatever your business is. So you just need to go create an idea, create a logo, create a brand palette. We build the website for you. We build the infrastructure. We will then ship them the products. We will then create the garments for you. And essentially what it means is that you can tap into a business straight away with just your creativity in your mind to help sell workwear to your local community. So if we, for instance, look at this one, we can live demo this store. So your customers would see, for instance, if this was your brand here, this is how your customers would see your website, which is brilliant because they can log in, they can register, they can set themselves up as a user on your website, and then they can start shopping. So for instance, if I'm a telecoms business and I need to get a couple of t-shirts for all of my sales reps, I can go head into here, heavy cotton, adult t-shirt, could choose a color for my workwear brand, choose how many sizes I want, and then I can start designing. Right now, I can then add my design. Once I've added my design, it ends up here in this safe space. You can choose on the right-hand side here for it to be body, left chest, back print, left sleeve, right sleeve. You can change your product over here. You can add text. You can change your design, add your team name, change your quantity. And right here, your customer will see how much it will cost per garment based on your pricing. They click buy, job done. This has all happened whilst you're sleeping, whilst you're with your family, whilst you're playing PlayStation. It doesn't matter. This is all happening in the background. That is the power of creating a workwear site with DISGU. Now, when I mentioned the price up there, the interesting thing is if you want to see what kind of pricing you can do, if for instance, our cost over here for a garment is £5, you can put whatever profit you want depending on your area. That way you are competitive against other businesses in your area code. So we know like a lot of businesses at the moment, you could create a workwear business in North London versus somebody in South London, and you might have different pricing margins. So here you can change this depending on where you are. So for instance, if our example price is £5 and you sell it to somebody for, let's say, £11.40 a t-shirt, you know that you're making £6.40 per t-shirt that sells. It's fantastic because you can go all the way up to 500% here, which means that you can have your selling cost as expensive as £30 per t-shirt, which means you can make a profit margin for £25. Email us if this needs to be different or if you need to do anything different. But the power of what you can do with DISGU is insane.